Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate your asset accounting with the plant and maintenance module. So this is the path you have to follow. So you can see here, you have to go to asset accounting, master data, automatic creation of equipment master record. Double click on this one. So I have configured for asset class, plan and maintenance. Double click. So here you have to enter equipment category and object type. So this equipment category and object type I have created in the PM side because this is required while creating the equipment master data. And here it is edit asset master record. It means that if you create the asset master, then equipment master will automatically get created. If you change anything in the asset master, then equipment master will automatically change. Same thing here. If you create equipment master, then asset will get created. If you change anything in the equipment, then asset will get also changed. Then here how you want, either you want no synchronization, then there is no connection between equipment master and asset master, and via workflow you can put better use second scenario. So as soon as you create the asset master, equipment master will be created. As soon as you create equipment master, asset master will be created. So this is the configuration you have to do. Go back and create one equipment master. So T code to create equipment master is IE01. This is PMT code. It enter. I can take on reference, and this is where you have given equipment category in the configuration. See here, you have told that when you create the equipment for this category, then this integration should work. So create a machine with enter. Copy this from reference equipment master, then go to object type. This object type also you have entered here. So based on this combination and this combination, your asset master will be created. So give some mandatory field. So from reference number, asset number is already copied, so make it blank. Remove it. So it is blank now. Give some important information, otherwise save it. So you can see here your equipment master got created 3085. Go to display, hit enter, and you can see here your asset number also got created automatically. You can double click and you can check the asset number, and you can see here equipment master is linked here, right? So this way you can create the equipment master so that asset master will automatically get created. Now if you change anything in the equipment master, let's say you want to modify description, for example like this, save it, again go. If we change here, go to asset master, so go to here, so you can see it is got change here as well. Now if you change anything in the asset master, then equipment master will be changed. For example, I'll change this asset master description. AS02, hit enter. Put description 1 to 3. Save it. So here, go back from here. Now, slow. Cancel it. Go to AS02. Hit enter. Change it here. Save it. So here you given asset description AP123. If you go here, you can check it here AP123. So this way, when you create equipment master, asset master automatically get created. Next, let us create asset and see equipment master will be created. So go to AS01, enter asset accounting and PM testing. Save it here. Give all this detail. You can see here it has already ticked and save it. To go in the display mode, hit enter, go to here. You can see your equipment master get created automatically. Double click on this one, it got created. So this way your PM and asset accounting is integrated. We'll cover in more detail in the online class. Thank you so much.